Let's find the challenge.
Okay. Welcome to the Summer Count to 10 Challenge. Today, Husky the Hippo and Zippy the Mouse are searching for summer surprises.
Over here.
Can you help them count all the way to 10?
Let's go.
Do we have to run?
Look, it's one big beach ball. Roll it back.
Okay. This is fun.
Come on, Husky.
I'm trying, Zippy.
Let's jump one time. Count with us.
1.
Look, wow.
Wow.
Look, it's 2 giant popsicles.
Yummy.
No. Sprinklers.
Can you help us count the sprinklers? Count with us.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Let's jump.
Now jump 3 times and stomp with us.
1, 2, 3.
March, march, march. Can you spot 4 floaties? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You did it.
You got it.
Now let's spin around really fast. Faster, faster.
Whoa, not so fast, Zippy. Hold on, hold on. I am getting pretty dizzy here.
Let's count the beach balls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job. Let's jump up high.
You ready? Let's jump! Woohoo! Up, up, and away we jump! Now, let's wave our hands 5 times. Ready, Husky?
I think so.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Quack, quack! Here comes the ducks.
How many are there?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 little ducks.
Yay!
Look here, Husky. You can take a nap here. How many umbrellas are there? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay!
Yeah. It's almost time for the party. And I get to relax without Zippy.
There you are. Wake up, wake up.
Wait, did we already count number 7?
Of course we did. Now we have to find the seashells.
Ow! Ow!
Watch out.
There they are, all lined up in a row. Can you find 8 seashells? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now wiggle with me 8 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you count 9 water balloons? Ready?
Take your time, Zippy. Count it loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 water balloons? Time to get back at Zippy.
Oh no, you can't get me, Husky. It's almost party time.
Yay!
You mean it's almost food time.
It's party time. Let's count to 10 together.
1, 2.